Welcome to SimCenter AimSim, Units and Unit Management. In this lesson, you will get an overview of the unit management system hierarchy within SimCenter AimSim. Learn how to customize the unit system on application, system, and local levels. And learn how to save a custom unit system for future use or sharing. Unit management can be applied at three levels: application, system, and local. If you configure units at the local level in an individual component, they override any system or application level configurations. If you configure units at the system level for the active system, they override any application level configurations. To give an example, consider the following scenario. Here we have three configurations. At application level, meters are configured to be displayed in inches. At system level, meters are configured to be displayed in centimeters. At local level, meters are configured to be displayed in inches. In this case, the local configuration for individual components overrides any system or application level configurations, and meters will be displayed in inches. For all other components in the active system that are not locally configured, meters will be displayed in centimeters. Let's consider another configuration. Here, only two levels have unit configurations. At application level, meters are configured to be displayed in inches. At system level, meters are configured to be displayed in centimeters. In this case, the system level configuration overrides the application level configuration, and meters will be displayed in centimeters throughout the active system. In any new systems created, meters will be displayed in inches unless you create or apply any specific unit configurations. To customize the units at the application level, click on Configure, then Unit Management, and select the default System tab. If you do not have a system open in SimCenter AimSim, then the default tab will be the only tab available. The default System tab displays the unit configurations set globally for SimCenter AimSim. These settings are applied to the parameter and variable sets of all systems created or opened in SimCenter AimSim, unless a specific unit configuration has been created for a system which will override the global configuration. The active unit configuration list displays the three default unit files supplied by SimCenter AimSim, which include the International System of Units, the American System, and the Aerospace configuration. In addition, the list displays any local or company configurations that have been created. These configuration files can be renamed, duplicated, or deleted. Custom settings can also be exported and shared if desired. When customizing, you can use the search field to locate specific units. To modify a unit, select its domain in the domain list. For example, to modify the display of units of mass, select the mass domain. In the lower pane, all units of mass are listed. You can now select some of them to modify how they will be displayed. Here we select the unit kilogram, abbreviated kg. If you double-click in the custom unit list, the available custom units are displayed for this unit. For example, you might want to display kilograms in megagrams, abbreviated mg. Note that a preview of the unit display appears at the bottom of the pane. To easily view all the customized units for a domain, click on the Customize column. When a unit is customized, the reset icon appears in the Reset column. Clicking this button removes the customization. If you have customized several units in a domain, you can either remove all the customization for an individual unit in the lower list, or click the Reset button in the domain list to remove all customizations for that domain. In the default tab, the units are configured on a global level and are applied to any new systems created. Once a system is open in SimCenter AimSim, the Active System tab becomes available. The Active System tab displays the unit configuration specific to that system. When you select one of the active unit configuration files in the list and click OK from the Active System tab, that configuration is applied to the active system. Like the default tab, these configuration files can be renamed, duplicated, or deleted. Custom settings can also be exported and shared if desired. Note that if you want to modify units in the active system only, you can reduce this list by selecting the Show Units Used in the Active System Only checkbox. Instead of using the Unit Management function to customize a unit, You can customize an individual unit directly in a component of your system through the Change Parameters or Variable List window, or the Parameters or Variables panes. Here, we are setting the mass to display as pounds, abbreviated LB, for a single component in a system. This could also be done for two components in the system. Two masses are selected holding down Shift while clicking on each. Now the unit can be customized for both in one action. To remove a customization on an individual component, right-click and select Reset Custom Unit. This completes our video lesson. Thank you.